Happy day! Welcome to our ATC video today. At ang topic po natin ngayon ay Subsidiary Sales and Purchases Journals. Para po ito sa mga VAT-registered taxpayers. Okay? So, this is our company. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa aming company, our company, Accounting Tutorial Center, is an education company. Hindi po kami accounting firm or auditing firm. So, kung magpapa-audit po ng books of accounts nyo and other accounting records for the purpose of obtaining loan purposes or for submission to different government agencies like the Bureau of Internal Revenue, hindi po namin kayo matutulungan. But if you are willing to learn how to make your own financial statements, other tax returns, bookkeeping, our company is an education company. Tuturuan po namin kayo. Okay? Later on, discuss po namin sa inyo yung mga available naming RWB Books. Okay? So, this is the Bureau of Internal Revenue, the government agency na inatasan ng ating bansa na kumolekta ng malaking buwis in order to defray or finance or fund our government projects and expenses. Okay? So, that is the Bureau of Internal Revenue. At ito po yung office nila sa Quezon City. Yan din yung main office nila. Nandyan po yung office ng Commissioner of Internal Revenue at mahigpit po yung security natin dyan. Once na kami nakapasok dyan at mahigpit po yung security nila, that was before pandemic pa. Di ko lang alam ngayon kung during pandemic, mas lalo nang mahigpit yung kanilang security. Okay? So, alam nyo naman po ito, whether your business is micro, small, medium, even large yung ating business, we have to register our business sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. And after registration, this is the proof of registration at ang tawag dito ay Certificate of Registration. Kulay dilaw siya. Nandiyan yung corporate name or the taxpayer name, date of registration, registered address, the TIN, the registered activities or tax type, and the line of business and the trade name natin. Okay? Sa bandang itaas po, makikita nyo kanong RDO number natin. Okay? Yan po ay pinapascale sa ating business establishment as required by law. Otherwise, penalty for failure to display 1,000 pesos pag nadaanan kayo ng tax mapping. Okay? Then after registration, then po, mabibigyan din po ng ask for receipt natin. Kulay green na siya. Akin po yan, kulay green na siya. Dati po yung kulay pula, pero green na siya ngayon. Dapat po naka-display din yan, ha? And after the registration of your business, one of our obligations as taxpayer, whether sole proprietors, professionals, cooperatives, partnerships, we have to file different tax returns na applicable sa ating business and pay the corresponding taxes, if any. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tax return na pinafile natin, merong babayarang tax. Kung walang babayaran, file ka lang. Kung meron mabayaran, di bayaran, file and pay. Okay? So, aside from the tax compliance natin o tax returns, filing, and payment, we have to update, keep, and use books of accounts. Ito po example ng ating books of accounts. At ang tawag po dyan ay manual books of accounts because we have three kinds of books of accounts as allowed by our Bureau of Internal Revenue. We have manual books of accounts, the loose leaf books of accounts, and the computerized books of accounts. Ang karaniwang ginagamit sa business, which is mas madaling i-register at madaling gamitin, itong manual books of accounts natin. Okay? So, the keeping of the books of accounts ay makikita nyo po sa Section 232 ng ating tax code. So, daanan muna natin anong legal basis ng keeping ng books of accounts as amended by our trained law. Okay? Nasa Section 232 ng ating tax code yan. Sa mga RWB book owner po namin ng VAT bookkeeping and non-VAT bookkeeping po, na-discuss na po natin to. Hanapin nyo na lang po sa ating RWB book sa loob po. Okay? So, Section 232. Section 232 title, Keeping of Books of Accounts. So, corporations, companies, partnerships, or persons required to keep books of accounts, and all corporations, companies, partnerships, or persons required by law to pay internal revenue taxes shall keep and use. Dati kasi ito keep lang. So, after amendment ng trained law natin, dinagdagan nila ng use. Relevant and appropriate set of bookkeeping records duly authorized by the Secretary of Finance wherein all transactions and results of operations are shown. So, mali po yung ina-advise ng iba na ang i-record mo lang daw sa books of accounts mo ay sales. Why? Kasi hindi naman daw yun hahanapin. Hindi naman yun ang basihan kung bakit ka nag-record ng transaction sa books of accounts mo. Hindi ko nga hanapin or hahanapin. Kaya tayo nag-keep o nag-gumagamit o nag-record ng transactions, business transactions in our books of accounts is one. Ito pa example natin ng books of accounts under section 232 ng ating tax code, manual books of accounts, kasi required by law. At saka hindi lang sales. Ang sinabi, all transactions and results of operations. So, hindi kasama doon yung mga personal na transactions like bumili ka ng TV, furniture and fixture, refrigerator, sa bahay nyo, para sa bahay nyo, hindi para sa business nyo. Nag-bayad ka ng tuition fee ng anak mo, food supplies ng family mo, na hindi naman ginamit sa business. So, hindi kasama yung transactions na yon sa recording in our books of accounts. Okay? And mali po, again, yung sinasabi ng iba na sales lang i-record. Ni-record po pati purchases, expenses, asset acquisition, equity transaction, investment, withdrawals, liability, meron kang loan, tapos binayaran mo yung loan, tapos binayaran mo din yung interest, nire-record din po yan as long as those transactions are for the business or business transactions. So, kailangan siya i-record. Ha? Mali po yung sinasabi ng iba. Kasi lately lang, ito lang, recent lang. Meron tayong ATC student na tinutulungan. Ngayon, isa sa mga naging problem niya, yung books of accounts niya, hindi updated. So, na-audit siya ngayon ng BIR at yung books of accounts niya, hindi nga updated. So, tinanong ko bakit hindi updated. Kasi sabi ng bookkeeper niya, or accountant niya ba yun, sales lang daw i-record nila. Di sales lang na-record nila. Di ngayon, naghahabol sila sa oras ngayon para i-record yung mga hindi na-record. Kasi hindi po pwedeng ipasa sa revenue officer na mag-audit sa inyo yung books of accounts na walang record kasi mape-penalty kayo. Pe-penalty na kayo, update pa kayo ng books of accounts. So, before nyo ipasa yung books of accounts nyo, i-update nyo na. Yung updating naman is for the coverage period lang ng tax audit. Di naman nila pwedeng i-check yung ibang taxable year kasi bawal sa batas natin yun. Kunyari, kung 2019 lang, 2019 lang. So, bago mo siya ibigay, update mo muna siya. Ha? Yun ang recommended natin. And again, huwag kayong maniniwala na sales lang i-record, ha? Okay, so, section 232 ng ating tax code yan. Hindi ko po sabi yan. Sabi yan ng ating batas, section 232. And from which all taxes due the government may readily and accurately be ascertained and determined any time of the year. So, that's the purpose kung bakit tayo minamandate, inuobligado ng ating tax code under section 232 na mag-record ng business transactions in our books of accounts para ito yung pagbabasihan natin sa preparation ng filing and payment ng different taxes na applicable sa atin. Okay? If you remember po, kung gumagawa kayo ng annual ITR, di ba? Nag-a-attach tayo ng Statement of Management Responsibility or SMR for the annual income tax return. At anong sinasabi dun sa SMR? Na yung inyong information contained in your annual income tax return and financial statements are based on your books of accounts and other accounting records or accounting records. So meaning, kung meron kang 1 million pesos na sales sa tax return mo, annual income tax return, and 1 million pesos in your financial statements, meaning, meron kang record ng sales dito sa books of accounts mo na 1 million, at meron kang proof o resibo na nagpapatunay na meron kang 1 million pesos na sales. Otherwise, pwede tayong makasuhan ng Bureau of Internal Revenue for misrepresentation. Makikita nyo po yung sa RMO 7-2015 and if I'm not mistaken, the misrepresentation violation of our tax code is not subject to compromise. Ibig sabihin, demanda lang talaga yun. So, huwag nyo na pong hintayin na mangyari pa sa atin yun. Mag-aral tayo, ha? Huwag tayong aanga-anga. Kasi yung ating benta na pinaghirapan, di ba? Tuwang-tuwa ka, dumibenta tayo. Kaya nga lang, kapag hindi natin alam itong tax compliance natin, yung compliance sa Bureau of Internal Revenue, baka kulangin pa yung pera na kinita natin pambayad sa iba't ibang penalties because of our violations arising from our ignorance and negligence. ating tax compliance. Sa akin, nandito kami para educate kayo. Next natin, under section 233. So, kasunod po ng section 232, malamang 233. And yung 233 ay sa subsidiary books. Yun ang title niya, subsidiary books. Ito po yung sample natin ng subsidiary books. Para po sa mga VAT-registered taxpayers, this one, dalawa to. Isang subsidiary sales journal and subsidiary purchases journal. So, basahin natin yung legal basis para sa subsidiary books. Section 233. Subsidiary books yung title niya. All corporations, companies, partnerships, or persons keeping the books of accounts mentioned in the preceding section, that is section 232, may at their option. So, pag sinabing may sa batas, ibig sabihin optional lang yon. Tapos at their option pa, talagang sa optional lang yung subsidiary books sa mga taxpayers. Optional ang subsidiary books sa mga taxpayers. Keep subsidiary books as the needs of their business may require. Ngayon po, yung subsidiary books, ang pinagkaiba ng books of accounts under section 232 in the subsidiary books, yung subsidiary books, mga details to ng transaction. Example, you want to record the details of your sales transaction. Pangalan ng customer, address ng customer, TIN ng customer, magkano yung benta mo sa isang customer mo. Details yon. Walang debit and credit doon na entry. Wala siyang debit and credit na entries. Ang debit and credit na entries nandito sa ating books of accounts under section 232 ng ating tax code. Kaya nga lang under section 233 nga ng ating tax code, subsidiary books are optional only. Optional, not mandatory sa mga taxpayers. Kaya nga lang po, meron tayong another section ng ating tax code. Yun yung section 113, paragraph C ng ating tax code pa rin, na nagmamandate. Ganun po kasi mag-aral ng batas, hindi siya by section. So you have to read the other sections of our tax code para makita yung language o yung message o yung minamandate niya. So hindi lang isang section yan. So, under section 113, paragraph C ng ating tax code, ito naman, yung subsidiary books, minamandate naman ito sa mga VAT-registered taxpayers. Therefore, marami kasing klase ng subsidiary books. Okay? Pero itong section 113, it refers to subsidiary sales journal and subsidiary purchases journal. Basahin po natin. Accounting requirements, section 113C, invoicing and accounting requirements for VAT-registered persons. Letter C, accounting requirements. Notwithstanding the provisions of section 233. O, sinabi niya. So, yung section 233 kasi, subsidiary books, optional lang. Pero yung section 113C, nagmamandate. All persons subject to the value-added tax under sections 106 and 108. So, hindi kasama yung mga non-VAT. Shall, in addition to the regular accounting records required, maintain a subsidiary sales journal and subsidiary purchase journal on which the daily sales and purchases are recorded. The subsidiary journals shall contain such information as may be required by the Secretary of Finance. So, there are a lot of subsidiary books na pwedeng gamitin sa business which are optional only under section 233 ng tax code. Pero under section 113 paragraph C ng ating tax code, itong subsidiary sales journal and subsidiary purchase journal are required. Required sa mga VAT-registered taxpayers under section 106 and 108 ng ating tax code. Ibig sabihin, sa mga non-VAT, hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit na ito, hindi tayo required. Non-VAT taxpayers, hindi tayo required gumamit ng subsidiary books. Kasi para lang ito sa mga VAT-registered taxpayers. Ngayon, kung gagamit yung non-VAT ng subsidiary books, optional na lang yon. Optional yon under section 233 ng ating tax code. Kaya nga na pag gumamit sila, nag-optional sila ng subsidiary books, they want to maintain the name of their customers, the name of their suppliers, their addresses, their TIN, magkano ba yung binibili sa bawat supplier, magkano ba yung benta sa bawat customers, diba? Subsidiary books yon, details yon. Kaya lang kailangan pa rin yun i-register sa BIR through the Revenue District Office. having the jurisdiction over the head office of the business or branch of the business. Okay? Ito, kailangan din po ito i-register, yung ating subsidiary sales and purchases journal for VAT-registered taxpayers. Kaya nga lang sa mga non-VAT taxpayers, katulad ng company namin, ba't ka mag-optional ng ba't ka mag-optional ng subsidiary books under section 233? Ito pa nga lang books of accounts na under section 232 ng ating tax code. Pahirapan na eh. Diba? Pahirapan na eh. Alam na kung di mo alam kung paano gamitin yung bawat isang books of accounts na to, di ba? Pahirapan na eh. Mag-optional ka pa, magdadagdag ka pa. Paano pag di mo na-update yung subsidiary books na ginawa mong optional? Di penalty ka na naman, di ba? So, wag na kayo mag-optional sa mga non-VAT. Okay? Recommendation ko yun sa inyo. Wag na kayo mag-optional ng subsidiary books. I-comply natin yung books of accounts under section 232 ng ating tax code kung non-VAT ka. And kung VAT-registered ka, additional ng dalawa. Under section 113, paragraph C pa rin ng ating tax code, ito yung ating subsidiary sales and purchases journal. Okay? Naliwanag po ba yan? Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sana po ay marami kayo naintindihan na pag-aaralan sa ating topic na subsidiary sales and purchases journals para maiwasan po natin yung samot-saring penalties na nararanasan natin sa ating business operations na di mo alam kung saan nanggaling yung mga violations na yun, nakatanggap ka ng letters, di mo alam kung paano nangyari yon. So, mag-aral po tayo. Hindi po sapat yung nagbenta ka na ng goods, na service na or products ng business mo, services ng business mo. Pag nag-business ka talaga, required na knowledgeable ka sa taxation. Okay? Nakapag-comply ka na, maiwasan pa natin yung unnecessary and sometimes excessive penalties na ini-impose sa atin ng Bureau of Internal Revenue. Okay? Because ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. Hindi po natin pwedeng sabihin na hindi ko alam yan. Mag-aral po tayo, okay? So, these are the letters na pwede nyo matanggap during the operation of your business from the Bureau of Internal Revenue. At sa akin po yan, galing po yan sa different BIR offices. I think Commissioner of Internal Revenue at Department of Finance Secretary, because I have concerns and for clarification sa kanila. So, sumusulat ako. Wala po akong kapit sa loob ng BIR. Sa ATC po, wala po kaming pinagmamalaki dito na meron kaming kapit, meron kaming kakilala, hindi po kami ganun. So, kung may concern, may clarification, susulat tayo sa Office ng Commissioner of Internal Revenue at Department of Finance Secretary. Tapos makakatanggap tayo ng sulat for the reply. Ngayon, kung hindi ka sumulat sa kanila at nakatanggap ka ng sulat, something is wrong yan. Something is wrong. So, ibig sabihin nun, meron kang problema sa Bureau of Internal Revenue kapag ganun. Okay? And iwasan na po natin yung mga unnecessary fear na nararamdaman natin sa BIR. Nararamdaman natin because of our own ignorance. Mag-aral po tayo, okay? So, problem solved sa ating subsidiary sales and purchases journals. Kung sino lang ba ang dapat gumamit niya na taxpayers. And yung ating books of accounts nga under section 232, ha? Mali po yung sinasabi ng iba na sales lang ang i-record. Mali po yun, ha? Mali po yun. Hindi po nakabase ang recording ng business transactions sa hahanapin or hindi hahanapin. Okay? Iniwanag po ba? Problem solved. And before we end our educational HTC video today, we would like to invite you to our online education. Makakapag-aral na po tayo anytime, anywhere, basta meron tayong internet connection and device. Pwede siyang laptop, computer, smartphone, okay? Tablet. Ito po, meron na po tayong available RWB Books for VAT Bookkeeping. Kung gusto niyo po matuto kung paano mag-record ng mga business transactions nyo, kung paano pipilapan yung ating subsidiary sales journal, purchases journal, yung ating books of accounts under section 232 ng ating tax code, para po ito sa mga VAT-registered taxpayers for their VAT bookkeeping. We have RWB Books po para sa inyo. Ito po, para po ito sa VAT bookkeeping for seller of goods po. Medyo makapal siya. And the investment fee, one-time investment fee po is 6,499. Avail na po kayo for the first 100 ng RWB Books VAT bookkeeping na mag-avail po. Meron po tayong discount na 500 pesos. So, 5,999 na po siya. Free delivery po tayo within the Philippines. Tuturuan po namin kayo dito step by step kung paano po mag-record ng inyong business transaction sa Subsidiary Sales Journal under Section 113C ng ating tax code and yung ating Books of Accounts under Section 232 ng ating tax code. And do not worry, hindi nyo kailangan basahin ito para pag-aralan because we will explain this through our online, exclusive, para sa inyo lang, exclusive na ATC online tutorial videos natin. So, marami yun. Step by step, tuturuan po namin kayo. Meron yung mga foundations na tuturuan muna namin sa inyo before yung actual recording ng business transaction sa Books of Accounts natin, okay? And we have the VAT bookkeeping for seller of service. Kung seller of service po kayo at VAT-registered kayo, this is the best RWB book para sa inyo. The VAT bookkeeping for seller of service po. Yan. Ganun din po, tuturuan po namin kayo dito kung paano mag-record ng transactions in your subsidiary sales journal and purchases journal and Books of Accounts. May mga kasama po itong actual business transactions. May mga kasama siyang resibo yan. Resibo. Yan. May mga actual po tayong resibo sa loob. Sales na resibo, tsaka expenses po na resibo. Yan. Kasama po yan dyan. Ito po yung pagka-practicean natin, hindi po yung actual ng business. Okay? Pag ito pinag-practicean natin, nagkamali kayo, okay lang. Pwede natin ulitin, pwede natin baguhin, pwede natin i-correct. Pero yung sa business natin, pag nagkamali tayo at nahuli ka ng BIR, may violation na tayo, penalty na naman. So, ito yung pag-aaralan natin, okay? And if you want to learn, kung gusto nyo pong matuto kung paano mag-file and pay ng sarili nyong tax returns, kanina diba sinabi natin, one of the obligations ng taxpayers ay mag-file and pay ng kanilang different applicable tax returns. So, kung gusto nyo pong matuto, we have RWB book para dyan, How to File and Pay Your Own Tax Returns. Dalawa po ito. Isang lecture set and a practice set. Sa practice set po, nandito po yung mga iba't ibang tax returns na gagamitin natin sa pag-record, ay sa pag-fill out ng iba't ibang tax returns. Nandito na po yung mga annual registration fee, the quarterly and annual tax returns, withholding tax, and other special topics po nandito. Wrong venue, the new top withholding agents natin, nandito po siya. May mga updates po tayo dito. Statement of Management Responsibility, yung responsibility ko paano gumawa, nandito po, okay? Investment fee for this RWB book, dalawa na po ito, is 4,999 only. Free delivery po tayo within the Philippines. At hindi nyo po kailangan basahin ito para pag-aralan because we have exclusive na ATC online tutorial videos to explain step by step kung paano po mag-fill out, mag-file, at mag-pay ng iba't ibang tax returns natin, okay? Ito po. Sa mga may tax audit, ngayon, whether pandemic or not, maaari po tayong i-audit ng Bureau of Internal Revenue. We have RWB book po para sa inyo, our RWB book for BIR tax audit. This is more than 600 pages. Dito po natin pag-aaralan kung paano i-handle successfully, strategically, yung inyong letter of authority. Okay? May mga sample din po tayo dito ng assessment notices, actual, and corresponding na actual na protest letters. Okay? Topic po natin ay from letter of authority hanggang final decision on disputed assessment. And hindi nyo kailangan ito basahin para pag-aralan kasi very highly technical yung mga terminologies dito at saka mga nakikita nyo. So, ang gagawin po natin dito, i-explain po natin to through our exclusive online tutorial videos. More than 20 yan. More than 20 na exclusive online tutorial videos. If I'm not mistaken, 28 yata yan. Tapos may update na rin po tayo dito for notice of discrepancy. Okay? Kasi dati po siyang notice of informal conference. Ngayon po siya ay notice for discrepancy na. Investment fees, 9,999 only. Meron po tayo ditong free RWB support. Pwede po kayo mag-drop ng protest letter nyo. Ipa-check nyo sa amin for our recommendations or online consultation or tawag consultation, call consultation, FB page consultation. Kasama po yun sa inyong RWB book BIR tax audit po natin. Okay? Wala na pong charge yun. Wala na po. And if you want to learn how to make how to record your business transactions for non-VAT naman, non-VAT bookkeeping for seller of service. Yan. Non-VAT po ito, non-VAT. At dito po sa ating non-VAT bookkeeping for seller of service, pag-aaralan po natin kung paano mag-record ng transactions nyo in Books of Accounts. Meron po tayo dito mga actual na resibo yan. Mga actual na resibo, special receipt, and mga expenses natin. Yan. Kasama na po dito sa package natin yung 4 na books of accounts na gagamitin. Again, wala po tayong subsidiary sales journal and purchases journal na gagamitin dito kasi hindi to required sa mga non-VAT. Okay? May 4 tayong books of accounts na gagamitin for our non-VAT bookkeeping for seller of service. We have the general journal, the ledger, na siniran ang pusa namin. So, ito sa akin, practice lang natin. Ito for practice na gagamitin natin. Pero hindi po ito yung deliver na sa inyo. Kasama na po ito sa package. Pre-delivery po tayo within the Philippines to LBC. Okay? We have cash receipts journal or CRJ, and we have the cash disbursements journal or CDJ po. Okay? So, again, hindi nyo po kailangan basahin ito para pag-aralan kasi we have different online tutorial videos which are exclusive lang para sa inyo. Dito po natin i-explain step by step yung mga foundations, legal basis ng bookkeeping, the revenue regulation number B1 bookkeeping regulations, and the actual recording of your business transactions in our books of accounts po. Kasama po dito yan, okay? 4,999 only. Pre-delivery po within the Philippines. Yung ating tax audit po, 9,999 only. Ito pong tax audit natin ay 9,999 only. Pre-delivery po tayo within the Philippines. And if your business naman po ay non-VAT bookkeeping, seller of goods. Yan, if you want to learn how to record your business transactions, this is for the non-VAT bookkeeping, seller of goods po. 4,999 only. Pre-delivery po tayo within the Philippines. Kasama na po dito again yung 4 na books of accounts na gagamitin natin for practice purposes. Ayan po, 4 yan na books of accounts. And kasama na po yung ating educational bookmark and ballpen. And kasama na po dito yung package na po ito. Hindi nyo kailangan bayaran ito. Package na po ito. Exclusive natin na online tutorial videos for non-VAT bookkeeping, seller of goods po. Yan po, kasama na po yan dito. Para explain po yung legal basis, foundations, and the actual recording of the business transactions in your books of accounts. Kasama na po dito yung mga actual nating resibo na gagamitin. Ayan po, meron tayong mga actual na resibo ng sales invoice naman kapag seller of goods. Pati mga expenses po, kasama na rin po dito yung mga expenses po. Yan. 4,999 only, pre-delivery within the Philippines. And we have how to make your own financial statement for micro, small, and medium entrepreneurs. Dito po may template na po tayo dito ng financial statement. Copy-paste na lang po tayo. Pero pag-aaralan po natin to step by step through our online tutorial videos. So if you're watching us on our YouTube channel, Accounting Tutorial Center, yung mga exclusive natin na online tutorial videos, hindi po siya available sa public. Exclusive nga para sa atin lang. Para sa mga RWB book owners lang. Ang platform na gagamitin natin is yung Vimeo. So meron yung password. Lahat po ng exclusive nating online tutorial videos, ma-access nyo lang through your RWB book number or password. Okay? May password po sa loob ng RWB book natin. Yun po yung gagamitin nyo para ma-access po itong mga online tutorial videos natin na exclusive na para i-explain po yung contents ng ating RWB book po. Okay? 4,999 only. Pre-delivery tayo within the Philippines. And yung ating train law, kung gusto nyo po matuto ng iba't ibang tax updates under our train law, the 8%, the tax planning, ano ba mas maganda, the 8%, the 40% mo, itemized deduction, and other tax updates under our train law po. This RWB book po ay para sa inyo. 4,999 only. Pre-delivery po within the Philippines. Ngayon, kung mag-a-avail po kayo ng 2 or more na RWB books, meron po tayong mga packages, RWB book packages. Meron po tayong mga available discounts sa ating mga RWB book packages. Message nyo lang po kami sa Facebook page namin para ma-send po namin sa inyo yung mga available natin na RWB book packages. Okay? And maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. So, lahat po ng mga RWB book owners natin, we have unlimited RWB support po. Chat nyo lang po, message nyo lang sa Facebook page natin, o kaya tawag kayo sa amin kung medyo mahaba yung inyong concern. Para po ma-address natin yung concern nyo, wala po kayong babayaran. Kasama po yung sa RWB book package natin, okay? Mga RWB book owners namin. And available po yung COD natin or cash on delivery para po sa mga RWB book owners natin. Avail na po kayo ng RWB Books, bayaran nyo na lang pag na-receive nyo from LBC. Tapos LBC na po magre-remit sa amin ng investment fee nyo. Okay? So, bago po tayo magtapos sa ating pinag-aaralan, we would like to give you a beautiful educational quote. This one po, lagi po namin binibigay yan. Change your mind and you will change your life. So, pagdating po sa pagbibusiness, ang traditional mindset ng mga nagbibusiness ay burden ang taxation, and the equivalent Filipino terms of burden word is pasakit, pahirap, pabigat. Tama? So, wag na po natin bigyan yung sarili natin ng stress, unnecessary stress by thinking na yung taxation ay burden. In fact, taxation po ay makakatulong sa ating business para mag-grow pa. Okay? Isipin nyo na lang po, yung tax na babayaran natin ay makakatulong po sa bansa natin. Huwag nyo lang isipin yung corruption. Corruption is outside of our control. Wala pa tayong magagawa doon. Okay? What is within our control is by changing our mindset para pagdating sa Philippine taxation. Hindi po namin sinasabi dito na magbayad ka ng malaking buwis, mga excessive na tax. No. Pag-aralan mo yung taxation natin, yung ating tax code, para makapag-comply tayo. At para makuha mo yung mga benefits and privileges na ino-offer ng tax code. Kasi kung di mo alam yun, hindi natin ma-avail yun. Kunyari, the 8% income tax rate option. Sino ba qualified doon? Kapag nag-avail ka ng 8% income tax rate option, exempted ka na sa percentage tax. Wala ka nang babayaran, di ba? Kung hindi mo alam yun, wala tayong magagawa doon. So, baguhin na po natin yung mindset natin pagdating sa Philippine taxation. Okay? So, this is our Facebook group, Accounting Tutorial Center. Please like and follow us on our Facebook page, Accounting Tutorial Center. Dito nyo rin po makikita yung mga available nating RWB Books packages. And nag-update din po kami dito, nagpo-post kami ng mga updates. Dito, kung meron po kayong karagdagang katanungan, questions, or inquiries, please send your message on our Facebook page, Accounting Tutorial Center, okay? And this is our Facebook group, Real World Bookkeeping. Join na po kayo. And our YouTube channel, Accounting Tutorial Center. Kung pinapanood nyo po kami ngayon sa aming YouTube channel, please subscribe na sa aming YouTube channel para po sa mga future different updates. And if you like our A to C video, like nyo po. Kung di nyo nagustuhan, dislike nyo. Okay? And our Vimeo. Ito po yung platform na gagamitin natin para po sa ating exclusive na online tutorial videos. Hindi po available yung mga tutorial videos ng ating RWB Books sa YouTube. Ang nasa YouTube po natin, mga trailers lang yung trailers po. In our Twitter, in Instagram, please follow us on our social media. And kung meron nga kayong questions and inquiries, please send that in our Facebook page po. Okay? Accounting Tutorial Center. Wag po sa YouTube channel natin. Wala pong sumasagot sa YouTube channel natin. Doon po sa Facebook page natin, Accounting Tutorial Center. Okay? Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Sana po marami kayo natutunan. And avail na po kayo para makapag-aral po kayo anytime, anywhere ng Philippine tax compliance, bookkeeping, financial statement, at iba pa. Tax audit. Lalo na kung may tax audit kayo. Okay? Maraming salamat po. My name is Mark Lord Bumagat, your RWB teacher, na lagi po nagsasabing, be educated po, and you will be empowered. Maraming salamat po. Kita-kits po tayo sa mga susunod nating videos. Bye-bye!